Right, so this is the demonstration site, and when you first go in you should get your cookie message, which we need to close off. And then we have our crowdfunding site, this is I've only done one or two little bits just to make sure it's all working, so we can start a project, and if we do that we'll end up getting asked to log in. We can support projects, in which case we'll see what projects are available. There is only one up at the moment, which is this one, which I created earlier for purposes. We can come home. If you go scroll down, we have this banner message. This is something you'll be able to edit as an administrator. And we have the one category that's been created so far. These will get filled up, and by the time you're having a look at the site, there'll be some information in here as well. And then we have LinkedIn, Facebook, we can put in Twitter pages, contact us page, privacy, all of that kind of stuff. And how it works actually just slips us down to this area, so you can see how it all links together. If you do search projects, you come in, it will show the most recent projects first, reverse order, that's alive. You can then search for things here, and I don't know. If we searched for Queen, we should end up with nothing coming through because it can't find anything with that kind of information. Now, so the purpose of this video though is to allow you to log in as an administrator on this demonstration site and to have a little play. So the first thing to do to log in as an administrator, you come here, the username is admin, the password is admin. If you do log in, and that's now logged you in to the administration site, and you can see that we have a project, the one I set up earlier, called Small Stuff. We can log out, or we can go to the admin area. This is the Django administration area, and right now I just want to show you categories. We have the one here. If you want to add a second one, we can do. And we will call that music. We choose an image for it, and you can use any image you want. I'm going to use something from here. And do these have names? No, so something that looks fairly musical. There we go, we'll actually change it to sport. So let's call it sport. And there we go, so we've got a new category. If we now go back to view the site, when we scroll down here, we can see we've got sport as a category as well. I happen to use an icon that's a bit too small. I think they need to be at least 64 by 64. And it will shrink them down to that size so that it fits. Okay. If you come in as a user and you just want to search projects, you can go in and you can see projects, and you can search for them by clicking on the project. You go in and see a bit more detail. Okay, and that's for, right, I'm covering the wrong things. The other thing I wanted to show you right now is that the banner. Okay, and see here we have, this is the new banner. I've changed this to something important, and this allows you to keep important things right on the front page, the landing page of the site, and so when you come back in here you can see that's changed immediately to something important, and so you can keep people informed about whatever you want to, really. Okay, so let's stop that video, and then the next video will be setting up a project.